my days! Engine or turbo has died. I smelled the fuel and I was thinking, what the heck is going on? Sometimes I'm losing power. And look at my fuel rail. I don't know if you can see it. Look at this bolt here. It's not secured at all. So, and it literally smells petrol in here. It is loose. Look. Look, it's not secured at all. Yeah, petrol. Oh my god. That's it, all fixed now. That's it. End of the drift for today and possibly for the next couple of months at least. So what happened? I think engine or turbo has died. I suspect it's a turbo, but I'm not 100% sure. I checked my fuel rail and it was a bit loose, so I fixed it and try to just to go on a straight, and I noticed literally the car not pulling, it's driving like a stock car. I was like, what is going on? And then press the gas to the rev limiter and I was expecting the turbo fluttering, and guess what? Nothing. We only had an hour of drifting, which still is quite good. Good? No, it's not good. There we go. No more drift. I'm not sad. I'm sad. I think it's gonna be full of bloody oil. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's clean. Okay. Throttle body is clean. Right, okay. Interesting. That's really interesting. This can't be that engine died. But the engine died? No, it's not engine. Right, we found oil. Not a lot, just a little bit, literally a little bit. I was expecting like to be floating in oil, but just a little bit. Yeah, you can see there is oil, but not a lot. A little bit of oil. I think it's not a big problem. Yeah, that's it. Look, it's just a couple of drops, not a lot. I think I found the problem. Oh my god, I think I found the bloody problem. It's actuator. It's stuck open, look. Actuator stuck open. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I hope it's true. I hope it's the case. Look. I think, yeah, actuator stuck open. I think actuator stuck open. Right. I need pliers. Oh, if this is the case, turbo is still alive. Oh my god. That's why this wasn't fluttering, it just stuck open. Oh my god. I'm hyped now. Check this out. What the heck? Look at this. This is Mamba, guys. Mamba. What the heck? How? Well, luckily it's not the turbo or no engine, so the car is still solid. I hope. Wow. I just removed the clip in here, and look, it's just loose. I don't know what happened. And just looking at this tip in here, I think it's just broken. Oh my god, how this is even bloody possible to break it? Now I will disassemble this and see if this can be fixed at all. So we have removed the actuator, and we're gonna open it up now. And we're gonna open it up. Open it up. What the hell? Open it up.
Yep.
Don't worry. Don't worry, it's not gonna. It's full of oil, one thing, but I think it's normal. Look at the threads. Threads gone. This is the threads, if you can see. Look. What the hell? I think we managed to rescue the day. One gentleman helped me with a thread locker, so I fixed broken threads with a thread locker. Blue thread locker. We'll see how it's gonna work. If it's gonna work at all. We managed to fix it, and we put everything back together now. And now will be the first test whether thread locker actually works. It's been about an hour or so, maybe 45 minutes, to see if there is enough time, or there's been enough time to actually fix it. Not to fix it so it's cured or not. So your guesses, guys. Let's go.
Noise.
Did you hear the noise? Oh my god. Now is the question, how long is it gonna last? Now is a real question. Because I'm not confident that it is proper engineered solution, it's just bloody glue. We glued the actuator together, essentially. That's what we've done. Police is chasing the drift car! It was just unbelievable run. I think one of the best runs in my life. It was just oh my god, just sandwich. Oh. That was hot! Unbelievable, man! It's a good job! It was a really good job!
Okay, so back to
I think you can't wish a better end of the season here at Aldershot. It was really, really good. One of the best days. Emotional roller coaster, 100%.